Welcome back to AM Northwest. The holiday season is right around the corner, and here to share an update on COVID vaccines and tips for being safe, we welcome Senior Clinical Manager at Moda Health, Dr. Katie Scheelar. Hi, Doctor.
Hello, good morning. Thanks for having me.
You bet. So tell me, first of all, today is the first day of open enrollment, right?
That's right. Beginning today through January 15th, people can go to healthcare.gov and sign up for individual health insurance for 2022.
Also, you're on the board for Moda Health COVID-19. You're on the task force for the COVID-19. So can you give viewers an update on the vaccine?
Yes. Okay. COVID vaccines are readily available and 100% covered for anyone 12 years of age and older. You can get them from your healthcare provider or your local pharmacy. Booster shots for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are recommended for specific groups of people at this time, while the booster doses for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are recommended for those who received the first J&J shot and at least 2 months have passed. The vaccine boosters are also fully covered, and you should talk to your pharmacist to see if you qualify for a booster dose today.
And what about vaccine shots for the kids?
Yes, I'm very excited about this. The FDA just recommended authorization of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine in children 5 to 11 years of age. The CDC panel meets this week, and if the CDC approves, the pediatric vaccine doses will become available, and they also will be fully covered. And I think this is especially good news, not only as we try to keep our schools open, but as we approach the holiday season.
Yeah, and speaking of the holidays, do you have any safety tips for everyone?
In my opinion, it's so important that for the mental health and happiness of our community members, that they're able to visit loved ones, friends, and family.
Yeah.
Of course, we have to make sure everyone is as safe as possible. So a few tips are, most importantly, if you are able and haven't already done so, get vaccinated. And when approved, have your children vaccinated as well. If you meet criteria, also get your booster dose as soon as you can. There's going to be a lot of people traveling and gathering indoors, so avoid crowds as much as you can. If you're going to be around people who aren't vaccinated or you're unsure of their vaccine status, it's important to continue to social distance, wear a mask, wash your hands, use hand sanitizer. But lastly, if you start having signs of COVID or you're exposed to someone who tested positive to COVID, it's important to isolate yourself and take a COVID test. I recommend that you buy a test or two ahead of time so you have them on hand for you or a loved one if necessary. That way you don't have to go out into public searching for a test when you may be sick or wait longer to find out if you're positive or not. So you can pick one up at your local pharmacy or order them online through sites like Amazon.com.
And what about flying? Any tips there?
Yeah, the FAA still requires people to wear masks at all times, but extra steps include testing yourself before flying and also when you return home. Again, you can buy those tests online or at a pharmacy. Aside from that, carry hand sanitizer, and if you can, make sure your children wear their masks the whole time, which I know can be very difficult. But the overall best protection, in my opinion, from becoming sick from COVID and also to help protect the vulnerable people around you is the vaccination.
Yeah, absolutely. All important information. Doctor, thank you so very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you for your time.
We're going to let folks know if you'd like to find out more, you can contact modahealthminute.com. We'll put all that information on our website at katu.com. Again, thank you, Doctor. Appreciate it.
Thank you.